In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text glow in Canva. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to add a vibrant and dynamic effect to their text, making it truly stand out. With just a few simple steps, you can achieve a stunning neon glow effect that's sure to catch the eye. So, let's dive right in. First off, once you've opened up your design project in Canva, you want to click directly on the text you'd like to work with. This lets Canva know which element you're altering. It's essential to have your text selected so that all subsequent adjustments apply precisely where you intend. Next, with your text highlighted, look towards the top of your screen and click on Effects. This opens up a variety of options that Canva provides for enhancing your text in creative ways. Among these, you'll find the brilliant neon option. Click on that, and watch as your text instantly transforms with a glowing aura, giving it that captivating neon look. Now, to further personalize this effect, you need to adjust the color. Simply click on the text color icon, which is conveniently located near the effects option. This step is vital because the default glow might not be the perfect hue for your project. You'll have the freedom here to select any color from the palette, or even enter your own color code if you have something specific in mind. This allows your text to not only glow, but also harmonize with your overall design theme. Once you've selected your desired color, it's time to revisit the effects panel. Clicking on it again enables further modifications, letting you perfect the glow's intensity. You'll notice a slider appears after you click on neon. Adjusting this slider will increase or decrease the vibrancy of the glow around your text. If you're aiming for a bold statement, slide it towards the maximum. For a more subtle shimmer, bring it back a notch. This step-by-step approach ensures that your text not only grabs attention, but fits seamlessly into your design narrative. By customizing both the color and the intensity, you gain full control over the aesthetic outcome, allowing your artistic vision to shine through. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've mastered the technique of creating glowing text in Canva. Whether for a poster, a social media post, or any other visual content, this effect brings a trendy, eye-catching element to your creations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to infuse your designs with a little extra glow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.